Hello, it's the next day, and what we're going to do is we're going to start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to throw our chicken into the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. So to check to make sure that your chicken's done, we are just going to poke it halfway down, and if the juices run clear, that's how you know they're done. I wouldn't poke it all the way down because then it kind of goes onto the tray and doesn't come up like it should, so it wouldn't be an okay way to tell if it is done or not. You can also touch it, and if it's nice and firm, you know it's done also. You can serve this with a side salad or any vegetable you want. I'm sure corn would be really good here if you're into that. I am gonna make some green peas, but I won't do that till later as I am not ready to eat this. And see you in a second. And now I'll give this a nice try for you so that you know how it tastes, if it's good. If it's awful, I'll be honest. And let's see. I almost forgot about the sauce. So let's try it with the sauce now. Even better with the sauce, yum. And that is it for this episode. If you think you might like this and don't have a peanut allergy, or you can even switch out the peanut butter for something you're not allergic to, I highly recommend you go try this. It is so good. And until next time, a banana. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time.